morning guys. I just finished getting ready to go out. I haven't go out in a while and it's fun getting ready to go somewhere. Yup. Just came to a Korean restaurant again after like a lecture. We're having water right now because our food is not served yet. One last bite. I'm so full. Came back home. I got a package. It's my skincare order. I got sunscreen from Dani.Hz and then cleanser also from Dani.Hz. And then we got this round lab toner. I think it's like known to be like one of the top toner in Korea and like amongst the toner product. So I'm so excited to use this. And then we got this clay mask. I don't know. Yup, I got it. Ocean, so I just got it. And then we got a lipstick, like my second lipstick I purchased this year. Okay, it's the popular one, the Fixing Tint from Dani.Hz. And also, I got this Dior perfume, right? I don't know, my friend got this from her trip. My god, it's so cute. I don't know. Oh, this is cute. It smells good. It smells like... And that's it. And I had so much food just now and I'm still so full. Wow, who's that? Cute color. They're so cute. Guys, this is so cute. Okay, I choose this. So cute. Outfit check. Hi guys, gonna show you what I got from the bookstore today. I got a few things today. My room is so messy right now and I will have to tidy up a little later. And so first of all, I got this notebook, right? This is so cute and aesthetic. And I got a basic notebook just for my class. So I feel like let's just got the basic one. I got pencil case. Yup, it's from Muji. I got it. And then I also got this cute pen. I mean, it's bread, right? And that's it. Let's see how I tidy up my room. Here we go to the hardest part. I will pack this.
Wow, is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to made of people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was the feeling of being alone. I don't know where I'm going isn't far, but it goes out. No need to be stressed, gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue.
While waiting to get into the boat.
How